Copper wire is produced in large factories using advanced metal processing technology. The process begins with raw copper materials. These materials are delivered to the smelting section. Copper is melted in powerful industrial furnaces. The molten copper is poured into molds. The copper solidifies into thick rods.
These rods are checked before further processing.
Rolling machines refine the copper structure. The rods are prepared for wire drawing. The copper is pulled through small dies to form wires.
Each stage makes the wire thinner and longer. Machines carefully control the wire thickness.
The finished wire is wound onto large spools. Some wires receive protective insulation. Workers check the insulation quality. The wires are cut according to product size. Important information is printed on the wires. The wires are packaged for shipment.
Engineers test electrical conductivity.
Let's check the resistance on this sample.
The reading is stable at 0.028 ohms.
Excellent. This batch passes the test.
Additional tests ensure reliability.
The readings are stabilizing. Good. Let's log this for the report.
The completed products are stored in warehouses. Forklifts move heavy reels to the loading area. Finally, the copper wires are shipped to industries worldwide.